Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make this beautiful face mask. Okay, so all you need to do is this magic material. Okay, so you just only need a plate. Okay, so how to use this? You are going to hold here on top and then put the tie or the ear loop, and then here at the side you are going to fold it both side, and then there you go. Here it's very secured and here it's very secured too, my chin and my nose. Okay, so and you in here in this part you can put your names or anything, and then you can talk nicely. Okay, let's do it. The materials that you are going to use are plate, marker, scissor, and your fabric. Okay, so I'm going to open this fabric and mark this round size or round shape. Now I'm going to mark it. Then ready to cut. Here's my fabric. I only need 2 pieces. And now I am ready to sew it. Okay, so here you are going to stitch this side. So I'm going to mark it. Just stitch 1/2 centimeter. Okay, or just give a space to put it together. Okay. Okay, so you need to have a little space here to open it, and then now flip it to the right side. Okay. Okay, so you need to iron it to get the size of round. So next you are going to stitch this, and this one you need to lock it. Okay. after that, you are going to get the middle. Okay, so find the middle and mark it. Okay, so it's here. Okay, so now you need to find the half of this, okay, quarter. Okay, the other side. Okay, and then now you need to iron it. Okay, so you need to iron that part. And then this side, the half of this. Okay. After that, you need to get the half of this part. Okay, and mark it. Okay. And now you are going to connect this part to here. Okay, connect this point to the middle. Okay, the other side, do the same thing from the middle to the point. Okay, and the other side. So now, okay, so we are going to stitch this. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, so now let's attach the elastic. Okay, so the measurement of this elastic is 8 inches. So measure a elastic size 8 inches. So this is for woman size, but you can adjust whatever size you desire. Okay, so I have 2 pieces elastic here, 8 inches each. Now you are going to attach your elastic on the top. Okay, so here in this part. And then the other side, and then stitch it. Okay, and the other side. Okay, so this is now our finished product. Okay, so this is the other one. So this size is for woman. And if you are going to make for men's size, you will need a bigger size of plate. So this is my finished product. And as you can see, there's a nice space here in the middle that you can write your name or put another design. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you are going to use it. So in this part, on top, you need to hold it, put on top of your nose, and then hold your hold your elastic, and then put it at the back of your ear, and then do it the same thing in this right side. Okay, so here on the bottom there's a protection that will cover your chin. So the bottom and the top, now it's fully covered and protected. So now you are going to fold this side if you like, just to make it tight, this part, or cover it. Okay, so there you go. That's how you are going to use it.